Hi, this is Janet, and I wanted to show you a live demo of using the best cleaner ever with Polymer stamps. And what I have stamped with is this Stays On pigment, which is kind of hard to clean off without some stamp cleaner. And if you do it, because it's an alcohol-based ink, if you use rubbing alcohol on your stamps, on your Polymer stamps, they tend to dry out. But with the best cleaner ever, it's great because it has like an oily base to it. It has no water and no alcohol, so it will clean off your stamps. And I'll just show you a quick squirt here, and then just with a paper towel I'm going to use it to clean up all the excess ink I have on my stamping platform, as well as the stamps themselves. And you can see that they're coming perfectly clear, and I'm just gently wiping over that, so you can see all the ink is on my paper towel. And if I hold this up closely, you can see that all the ink is removed from the stamps. It gets into little crevices. I have just a little bit left in here, not much to deal with really, and it takes them right back to their clear state, as opposed to having any kind of shadowing or ghosting on the stamp.